Games run faster on SteamOS than Windows 11. Really? Lenovo Legion Go S gets better frame rates running Valve's free operating system. Now, I will say that the frame rate tests that they did here for the video games are a bit nuanced. They have some metrics here, which obviously vary depending on what machine you're operating them on. And so the title does not really capture the entirety of what's going on. However, it does find that the SteamOS definitely does perform better than Windows 11 in a reasonable amount of cases. So because of the Steam Deck, which I have right here. No, wait, right here. They have their own SteamOS, which is an operating system that runs on this handheld video game slash PC thing that runs Steam, and you can play video games on it. It's great. It's fantastic. I love my Steam Deck. It's awesome. So what people decided to do is just run some benchmarks, run some metrics to see which would operate better, which would run better for games. And so you can see that they used the Lenovo Legion Go and 2 different resolutions with different graphics settings. And they took the average FPS. Now, again, I just want to be clear that this isn't some kind of gotcha, like SteamOS is clearly better than Windows 11 in every possible way, and like all games run absolutely optimally on SteamOS. But I do think that it is indicative of something. It is indicative that Windows 11 is kind of losing a bit of steam here, and that SteamOS and Valve in general have an opportunity to take the crown, so to speak, as the place to go, the operating system to run, to get everything that you would want out of what people would typically default to Windows for. There is an opportunity here, and I think Valve is going for it. Honestly, I'm kind of glad to see it because we could use a bit of competition in this space in terms of performance. Video game performance has been pretty lackluster in the last few years, in no small part due to some of the stuff I complain and rant about here on these streams. So to have a company like Valve be like, hey, look, we built an operating system, it runs great on, that guy and whatever, and then seeing some of these benchmarks, not all of them. So you can see that in some cases, I believe they talk about it here. So sideloading the updated ASUS drivers, there's some ASUS drivers or whatever, made an improvement in Windows performance. And so this is one of the problems with benchmarks is confounding factors often have a big role to play in what the benchmarks say. But there's something positive going on here. And Valve is going for it, and I'm glad to see it.